Beneath the calm ocean surface lies a tiny creature with a punch faster than a speeding bullet and eyes that can see colors humans have never even imagined. Do you dare face the mantis shrimp, the fiercest mini-warrior on the planet? Hidden in the warm tropical waters of the Western Pacific and Indian Oceans, the mantis shrimp is neither a shrimp nor a mantis, but it wields a deadly, lightning-fast weapon and possesses vision that far surpasses any other creature. It doesn't just attack, it shatters the laws of physics. Can you imagine a punch that creates shockwaves and literally boils the water around it? Or eyes that perceive the world like a multi-dimensional painting beyond our comprehension? Like, share, and comment if you're ready to uncover the wild secrets of this otherworldly predator. So where's the true home turf of the ocean's champion fighter? Look beneath the sunlit turquoise waters of the Western Pacific and Indian Oceans, where sunlight filters through coral reefs. That's where these tiny assassins lurk like ghosts on the seafloor. You can find mantis shrimps in shallow waters, sandy seabeds, or coral reefs along coasts of countries like Indonesia, the Philippines, Papua New Guinea, Malaysia, and Australia. Tropical paradises that double as fierce battlegrounds for these creatures. They don't wander aimlessly. They dig burrows, occupy rocky crevices, and defend every crack in the ocean floor like their own underwater fortresses. Once a mantis shrimp claims a home, it will fight to the death to defend it. In the deep sea, real estate is not easy to come by. Even a wrong glance or a small misstep near their territory can spark instant conflict, and the mantis shrimp's lightning punch can end any invasion in the blink of an eye. Mantis shrimp, small in size but mighty enough to make the entire ocean respect its power. Measuring just 10 to 18 centimeters long and weighing around 100 to 200 grams, mantis shrimps might look like harmless little sea critters, but don't let their size fool you. Some can grow up to 40 centimeters, and regardless of size, they all possess a fearsome weapon, the fastest punch in the animal kingdom. At speeds of up to 23 meters per second, about 83 kilometers per hour, their strike is faster than a 9mm bullet, a mind-blowing feat of natural engineering. But speed isn't the scariest part. The pressure they generate causes cavitation, the rapid formation and collapse of microbubbles in water, releasing massive amounts of energy. The result? Shells as hard as rock get smashed, crab armor shatters in an instant, and yes, this punch can even break the glass of an aquarium tank if you dare to keep one at home. Each strike is a mini underwater explosion, fast, precise, and nearly impossible to dodge. Mantis shrimps don't need brute strength. Their power lies in the perfect combination of speed, pressure, and biological design. In nature, power doesn't always come in large packages, and mantis shrimps are living proof of that. What if our eyes were HD TVs? The mantis shrimp's eyes would be a full-on multispectral radar system, seeing the world in a way we can barely imagine. Not 3, but 16 types of color-receptive cells allow it to perceive a spectrum far beyond human vision. What we see is just a sliver of the full picture mantis shrimps experience. Ultraviolet, infrared, polarized light, things we're completely blind to, are crystal clear to them. Even more impressive, each eye can move independently, rotate separately, and still lock onto targets with pinpoint accuracy. It's like they come pre-installed with a dual targeting system. With this superior vision, the mantis shrimp doesn't just spot prey, it calculates, tracks, and strikes with the precision of a futuristic battle drone. When super speed meets super sight, the mantis shrimp becomes a perfect hunting machine. Nothing escapes its deadly strike. With eyes capable of detecting polarized light in 16 color types, over 5 times more than humans, it locks onto targets in a heartbeat. But the real terror lies in how it strikes. Its front limbs aren't for grabbing. They're spring-loaded clubs that function like a hammer blast mechanism, ready to unleash a fatal blow. It only takes 0.003 seconds, 50 times faster than a blink, for the punch to land at terrifying speed, producing impact forces so intense that water temperatures briefly spike to nearly 4,800 degrees Celsius, almost as hot as the surface of the sun. And there's more. Each strike generates cavitation bubbles, a rare physical phenomenon. When those bubbles collapse, they emit shockwaves powerful enough to kill prey, even if the punch misses direct contact. A blow faster than thought. A tiny creature with a weapon so powerful, even the ocean fears it. The mantis shrimp isn't just a mini fighter. It's a living testament to how nature can craft warriors of mind-bending perfection.